This is a table fan, and this is a DC fan, and these are a whole bunch of stuff. First up, I'm gonna have this thing in the poppet. Alright. It's shaking, but oh, that's cool. My camera. I just knocked over my camera. I'm sorry about that, guys. This is it. Hopefully, this box fan does need the stabilizers. Let me just demonstrate it with the blades real quick so you guys can see what it is like. Oscillation, and it's a good working fan. I like it. Okay, next we have this ball. I don't know how you can put this ball in here, but here it is. 3, 2, 1. I don't know if you guys can hear this, but next up we have a DC fan. I don't know how this is gonna go. I have 2 DC fans actually. I have a bigger one. I'm gonna start with the smaller one first, and if it works, I'm gonna do the bigger one. 3, 2, 1. It just seeps into it. And oh. Okay, no more DC fans on the Oh my god. This is just okay. Came the fan, the paper. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Okay, here's the sound of a fan.